Hi friends, it's Peggy Noe from PrettyPaperCards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today with a pretty quick tip for you. And my tip is how to clean your clear acrylic blocks. Now there are several ways you can do it. I've had my husband clean them with WD-40 and that works well. I have cleaned them in the sink with Dawn dishwashing liquid and that works well. But my favorite way is to use antibacterial hand gel. And the reason I like it is because I can do it right at my desk and I don't have to make a big production and take all my blocks into the kitchen where I have a sink or the bathroom or whatever. And I wanted to show you how to do that today. So I've got a few blocks that need to be cleaned, and they've gotten ink on them and things like that. So I am using a microfiber cloth here, and I'm going to put my dirty blocks on this microfiber cloth, and I'm going to use my really hand sanitizer is really what you call it. It's hand sanitizer. And I'm going to show you how this works. Now this one isn't too dirty, but I'm going to put just a dot of the hand sanitizer on it, and I'm going to use another microfiber cloth that I've been using earlier today to clean my stamps. And I'm going to find a clean spot on the cloth, and then I just rub my block with the hand sanitizer. And then I find a clean spot on my cloth to polish it. And really, it works very well. And just like that, my block is clean and it smells good. That's the best part. Here's a block that I got some ink on, and we're just going to clean this one again. And this can clean your edges, which is what I like, because sometimes I get ink on my fingers and I get it on the edges of my blocks. I don't know about you. And you just shine that up, and it even gets off glue and goop. This one I'm going to put a little more hand sanitizer on because it's a little bit dirtier, and we'll just wipe that off. And I've added a little extra ink today for the sake of the demonstration, but really, I promise you, this works so well. And you just polish them up, you've got them ready to go, and your desk smells nice. So that is my recommendation for cleaning your clear blocks right at your desk with hand sanitizer. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pretty Paper Cards, and have a wonderful time cleaning your clear blocks. Thank you. Bye-bye.